Dear students, in last session we had seen about structure of courts in India. Okay, that is what the how the cases should be filed in a court. That is what the three levels of court. What is meant by subordinate court, what is meant by apex court, and what is meant by high court, and what is meant by Supreme Court of India. Okay, when the case is going to be filed in the lower court only, that is what when you are residing in your particular area, that is what the case should be filed in a lower court first, then only you can able to appeal to the Supreme High Court, then only you can able to appeal to the Supreme Court of India. That is what we are calling the term as appellate system in India. That is what the things we had seen about. And this session we are going to see this different branches of this legal system. You know that legal means law only. Okay, that is what the term called as a, and what are the different branches of legal system we are having, that is what the term what we are going to see. In every court, if we go and see either this subordinate court, district court, or Tahsil court, or high court, or Supreme Court of India, these cases are divided into two branches of legal system. Okay, that is what the thing goes for. One is criminal law and another one is civil law. Okay, that is what the thing goes for. Two different branches of legal system are criminal law and civil law. Okay, that is what the thing. And what is the difference between this criminal law and civil law, what we are going to see it. Coming to criminal law, if you say that criminal law, you know that it deals with conducts or acts that the law defines as offences. Okay, that is most probably the law defines as offences. For example, you can able to tell the criminal law as a theft, okay, harassing a woman to bring more dowry. Okay, for example, murder, and all the things are going to be criminal law. Okay, that is what the theft and harassing a woman to bring more dowry. That is what the thing, you know that dowry in Indian marriage system, and most probably the dowry is prohibited according to the Constitution of India, and no people are doing marriage without dowry. That is what the Indian system we are having. You can able to ask your father, okay, what is meant by dowry, and you can ask your mother also. Okay, that is what the thing goes for, and how your father get the dowry for your mother. Okay, that is what the thing you can able to ask, that they can able to explain well about this dowry system in India. And women are most probably asking dowry. That is what the thing for marrying a girl, marrying a woman, and most probably dowry is a part in the marriage system. Anyway, the law is there and you cannot able to do it, and still Indian marriages are practicing more dowry, and you cannot able to stop it also. That is the main thing. You can able to say that if harassing a woman to bring more dowry also, it is a criminal law. The law is there, the punishment is there for the that is what the who is most probably harassing a woman. If a husband is going to be harassing a woman to bring more dowry, means a punishment is there. Okay, that is what the severe punishment is there. Okay, if any this woman is going to be file a case, that is what the thing goes for, the dowry cases, and most probably the person can able to put it in jail. That is what the cases we are having, the punishment also. But still the marriages are most probably going with the dowry only. Okay, no marriages, you can 98% in India the marriages are most probably with dowry only. You can able to check it up. You can able to ask with your father and mother more about dowry. Okay, that is what the thing goes for. Theft, harassing a woman, and crime related activities, you can be able to tell the beating one person, and if you are beating one person, if there is a conflict between the two person, and if you are doing murder, okay, that is what the thing, all the criminal cases comes under criminal law. Okay, that is what the thing goes for. But if criminal law begin, that is what the crime related activities such as theft, harassing a woman, or if you are beating one person severely, okay, and automatically you are going to file a case by the local police station. That is what the term called as a FIR. Okay, that is what the first information report with the police who investigate the crime, after which the case is going to be filed in the case court. Okay, that is what the thing. And no policeman can able to kept you within 24 hours. If the policeman found that if the case is FIR is filed, means a policeman belongs to that particular area, he even wants to be take you to the court within 24 hours, you want to be in before the court. Okay, that is what the thing, you want to take that person to the court, and you want to be produced in before the judge also. Okay, that is what the law says that. And if found guilty, for example, a person doing theft or harassing a woman, and if the person doing murder, if found guilty, the accused can be sent to jail and also fined. Okay, that is what, how they had the more evidence, you know, that the judgment is given by the judge. Most probably we had seen that how the what is the qualification for judge also. Okay, that is what the thing last class, how to become a chief justice of India. You know that in judiciary system, the chief justice of India is most probably important prestigious post in the judicial system. That is the thing goes for, you know, that who is the chief justice of India. That is what the last section we are saying that. And in the criminal cases, if any theft or harassing a woman or any dowry or murder, if the person is found guilty, and the accused can be sent to jail and also fined. Okay, that is what the things you can able to say that what is meant by criminal law. Okay, and next is coming to civil law. Civil law deals with any harm or injury to the rights of individuals. For example, a dispute relating to the sale of land. For example, civil law, you note it down, it related to land issue. Okay, land property. For example, sale of land, purchase of goods, rent matters, and even diverse cases also sometimes. Okay, that is what the thing goes for. And most probably it is a land related problem. Any land you are having the problem, and encroachment of land. For example, somebody has encroached your land and your case can be filed. But civil cases, you can able to directly approach the court and you can able to file the cases. Okay, this land is belongs to me, and here the person has encroached my land. That like you can able to file the case directly to the civil court. Okay, and in every court there will be a two legal system will be functioning. The cases the theft, murder and all the things are separated in this criminal court, and another thing is civil court. Okay, the 47, the two legal systems are functioning. Civil judge is separate and criminal judge will be separate. Okay, that is what the thing goes for. A petition has to be filed before the relevant court by the affected party only. Okay, that is what the thing goes for. In a rent matter, either the landlord to tenant can file a case. Okay, that is what the thing goes for. And after that, the court gives the specific relief asked for the instant. In case between a landlord and tenant, a court can order the flat to be vacated and pending rent to be paid. Okay, for example, if the problem arises between the thing, what the evidence you are having related to your land property. Okay, you need this that is what the thing goes for, land related things. How many cents your land is belong. Okay, you need this document. The land information document is important for the evidence you want to be submitted in the court, because the documents only speaks that the land is belongs to you. If you are not having the documents, and otherwise that the court will be find you sometimes. Okay, if you are having the correct document, the judges find that your evidence is correct, and opposite person should be punished, and they will tell that if you are having the land, give the land to this person. The land is owned by that particular person who has filed the case. Okay, that is what the court order. And after that, the opposition party cannot able to do anything. Okay, that is what the thing goes for. If any cases related to sale of land, purchase of goods, rent matters, okay, that is what related to land in a more manner. That is what the cases are dealing with, civil law. Okay, here you don't want to go for example, if you are having the conflict between the two person in the land related thing. Okay, the person nearby your house encroach your land. Okay, and you can able to directly file the cases in the civil court. Okay, it is accepted. You don't want to go to the police station and all, because automatically if you went to police station also, most probably they will send you to civil court only. That is the thing goes for in the Indian legal system. The police cannot able to do anything. Okay, that is the thing goes for. And does everyone have access to this court? You know that in principle all citizen of India, that is what can access the court in this country. You know that understanding law, what we are studied, any you are becoming as a rich people or poor or anything, and if you are born in the citizen of India, you are able to access to the court. Okay, that is the thing goes for. This implies that every citizen has the right to justice through the courts. Okay, you can able to get the justice. Either you can able to go for a criminal court, crime related activities, or civil court, land related properties. Okay, that is what the thing goes for. The court plays a very significant role in protecting our fundamental right. Okay, that is what the things goes for. And if the fundamental rights, this is the right to equality, you know that all are equal before law. That is the main thing. No discrimination. Either you are belong to rich or poor, either you are a prime minister of India, either you can able to tell that either you become a president of India. The law is, if you are doing any criminal things, criminal offense, and you can able to, the law is equal. Okay, you know that that is the main thing. You can able to say that either you are become a chief minister of Tamil Nadu also, the law is equal to all. Nobody can able to escape from that. When you are find that you are guilty, okay, that is the main thing. When you are accused, and most probably you are arrested, and either you are becoming as the prime minister or anything. Okay, in every country, in democratic country, the rules and regulation are framed like that only. That is the main thing you can able to understand. The court plays a very significant role in protecting our fundamental right. That is what the right to equality, this right to speech, right to freedom, and all the things. That is what the 6 rights. And if any citizen believes that their rights are being violated, they can approach the court for justice to be done. Okay, that is what the thing. If the fundamental right is violated to you, you know that I already told that if you can able to directly approach the Supreme Court of India. Okay, if the fundamental right is violated, your local court is not answerable to you in a correct manner, you can able to directly approach to the Supreme Court of India. That is the main thing you can able to say that. While the courts are available for all, in reality, access to courts have always been difficult for a vast majority of the poor in India, because poor people doesn't know, okay, doesn't have the documents to file, because they are not uneducated, they are illiterate, they cannot able to file the case, okay, without, because that is the thing. And many things to have a majority of the citizen should apply to the court. You can able to tell that legal procedures involve a lot of money and paperwork, as well as take a lot of time also. That is what the thing goes for. Anyway, without evidence, your document only speaks about, okay, how the marks are speaking about you. That is the same thing. Okay, in your class you are studying 8th standard. At the end of annual examination, your mark is going to be speak to you whether you are going to be promoted or not. Okay, the same manner, either the criminal related activities or civil related law, land related property, if there is a thing, and if you are having evidence only, the evidence of the documents only speaks in front of the judge, and judge is giving to the judgment to you. That is a way based on completely evidence only. No other thing you cannot able to say that. Okay, and based on the judges belongs to your family, he cannot able to give. But if he commits, most probably the person is going to be appealed to the Supreme Court of India, and automatically the judge who are given the statement is going to be cancelled. Okay, that is what the thing goes for. And legal procedures, that is what involve a lot of money, and paperwork as well as take a lot of time. Okay, that is the thing goes for. And for a poor person who cannot trade and whose family depends on daily wage, the idea of going to court to get justice often seems remote. That is the main thing you can able to say that. And for example, in public interest litigation, that is what the case, even you as an individual person, you cannot able to file the case to the directly to the Supreme Court of India. That is what the public interest litigation. This already I told about this public interest litigation in Supreme Court of this structure of courts in India. That is the main thing you can able to tell that. In response to the situation in India, the Supreme Court in the early 1980s devised a mechanism of public interest litigation, that is what shortly PIL, okay, to increase access to justice. It allowed any individual, okay, that is what the thing, any individual, you can able to appeal to the High Court or Supreme Court of India whose fundamental rights are violated, okay, or if there is if the case is going to be a groupism, okay, most of the people are affected. That like if it has means you can able to file the case in the Supreme Court of India, and you know that just write a letter to the Supreme Court of India, the case is going to be taken by the Supreme Court. Okay, that is what the thing goes for. Even High Court also, the legal process was greatly simplified, and even a letter or telegram addressed to the Supreme Court or the High Court could be treated as a PA, public interest litigation. That is the thing you can able to say that, because poor people can able to do that also. Okay, that is the thing. In early years, PIL, public interest litigation, was used to secure justice on a large number of issues. Okay, that is what the things. Even rescuing bonded laborers. Okay, you know that the laborers are bonded. You want to be worth 4 or 5 years in the company. Okay, and this nowadays no laborers can able to go for bonding system. Okay, that is what the thing. By the Supreme Court it is given order, still the order is there. And from inhuman work condition, that is what the thing goes for. And securing the release of prisoners in Bihar who had been kept in jail even after their punishment term was complete. Even some prisoners whose punishment is completed, they are still kept in jail. It is not allowed also. Okay, if the punishment is over, surely the jail should be releasing. That is the main thing. You can able to tell that these are the PIL cases in India more the thing. And you know that the midday meal scheme system. Okay, in government schools they are doing for even the how the education system is improved. Earlier, you know that the poor people cannot able to attend the school. Okay, that is what the thing goes for. And after that, the midday meal scheme is taken in Tamil Nadu. That is what in Tamil Nadu is the most first state in implementing this midday meal scheme to promote all the children to the school. That is the main thing. Okay, in still now the government schools in Tamil Nadu only it is applicable to all the government schools. That is what the midday meal scheme. Okay, with that midday meal scheme only many students are coming to the school. Okay, for anyway they cannot able to eat also. That is what they cannot able to survey. That is many poor people are there. Still now this midday meal scheme is there in government school. You can able to watch if you are going for any visit. Okay, if your father and mother they are working in a government school, you can able to ask about this midday meal scheme. And Tamil Nadu only first implemented this scheme, and after that all the states are asked to implement. Okay, and after that the central government is implemented. Surely the midday meal scheme will be there in all the states, and now still now it is working out. Okay, in the thing the midday meal that children now receive in government and government aided school is because of PIL, public interest litigation case only. Still now we are following that. Okay, that is what the things you can able to say that what is the difference between criminal law and civil law. Okay, that is what the thing goes for. And this ends with the session. Thank you for your attention. Thank you.